10 ways to develop research skills. In our rapidly evolving information age, the ability to research effectively is invaluable. Whether you're a student, educator, or a lifelong learner, mastering research skills can elevate your understanding and decision-making capabilities. Here's an in-depth exploration of 10 ways to cultivate these essential skills. Start with a clear objective. Every successful research journey begins with a destination in mind. Before embarking on your exploration, write down your primary research question or objective. This clarity will serve as your guiding light, ensuring you remain focused and don't get overwhelmed by the vast sea of available information. Use reliable sources. The foundation of your research is only as strong as your sources. Prioritize quality over quantity. Develop a checklist of credible sources relevant to your field, such as specific journals, databases, or experts, and refer to this list whenever you initiate a new research project. Diversify your sources. While it's essential to have reliable sources, it's equally crucial to have a variety. Aim to gather information from a mix of books, peer-reviewed articles, first-hand interviews, and reputable online platforms. This multifaceted approach ensures a well-rounded and comprehensive understanding of your topic. Take organized notes. In the digital age, efficient note-taking can be a game changer. Tools like Evernote or OneNote can help categorize and store your notes. By regularly reviewing and updating them, you ensure that your research remains structured and easily accessible. Practice critical thinking. In the realm of research, skepticism is a virtue. For every piece of data or claim you encounter, challenge its authenticity. Ask questions like who is behind this information? What might be their bias? How did they arrive at this conclusion? This discerning approach will help you search through potential biases and misinformation. Engage in discussions. Collaboration can often lead to declaration. Join research forums, attend seminars, or simply engage in discussions with peers or experts in the field. These interactions can introduce you to new perspectives, resources, and insights that you might have overlooked. Stay updated. Knowledge is an ever-evolving entity. Dedicate time, perhaps once a month, to revisit your research topics and check for new developments or findings. This commitment ensures that your research remains current and relevant. Master research tools. The modern researcher has an abundance of tools at their disposal. Familiarize yourself with key databases and digital platforms relevant to your field. By mastering these tools, you can streamline your research process and access the most pertinent information swiftly. Seek feedback. No researcher is an island. Sharing your methods and findings with mentors, colleagues, or peers can offer invaluable feedback. This external input can highlight areas for improvement, introduce you to new resources, or validate your conclusions. Consistent practice. Like any skill, research proficiency comes with repetition. Challenge yourself with varied research projects regularly. Over time, you'll find yourself navigating the research process more intuitively, evaluating sources more critically, and drawing conclusions more confidently. In conclusion, research is a dynamic skill that marries enthusiasm with methodology. By integrating these strategies into your research routine, you not only enhance your research capabilities, but also ensure that your insights are both informed and impactful.